Hello everyone and welcome to this little video tutorial of AnimalTA. In this video we will see how to download and install this free video tracking software. First of all, you have to go to the website. I will put the link in description. Then go to the AnimalTA panel, scroll down a bit and you will find this download button. Just press the button and the download will automatically begin. So wait for the download to be done. And once the download is finished, just launch the installer. This is a problem you will probably face too, which is that Windows doesn't recognize the program, so you have to tell him that you trust AnimalTA. So go to More Options and then press this button. Then the installer will appear, so you will have first to accept the agreement, and then to determine whether you want a shortcut or not. And finally, proceed with the installation. Once the installation is done, you should have AnimalTA ready to work on your computer. So I hope to see you soon for the next tutorial, and I wish you all a very good day.